Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today is a very special video because I, sometime last month, reached 1,500 subscribers, and I have not had the opportunity to sit down and do a thank you video. First and foremost, I would like to thank everybody for believing in me and subscribing in my channel and sticking around and coming back for all of my craziness and all of the Christopher tips and the what's happening on the porch and all the things. So it seemed to take me a very long time to finally reach 1,000 subscribers. I truly had no idea when I sat down to start this YouTube channel that I would even reach 1,000 subscribers and be able to get monetized, much less to reach 1,500 and beyond. Obviously, I want to go beyond. I love doing these videos for y'all, and I love interacting with you in the comments. Y'all have given me way more than I could ever even hope to give to you. The words of encouragement and the kindness that y'all bestow upon me is just not anything that I ever dreamed of. I thought that I was going to be helping y'all. I had no idea all of the things that y'all would be doing to help me, along with the special friendships that I have made through this YouTube channel has been amazing, mind-blowing. So this video is a thank you video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you and welcome to all of my new subscribers that have not been with me from the beginning. Let me know down in the comments. Have you been with me from the very beginning? I don't even remember. It's been a blur who the original 100 subscribers were. I knew that most of them were people that I had forced into it. You know, y'all have got to subscribe to my channel. Go do it now. Give me your phone and I will subscribe you to me. So, but anyway, let's do a giveaway. This is going to kind of be sneaky. I don't know. I may name this video something crazy just so that my true subscribers are the only ones that actually get to enter into this giveaway. I'm going to show you some of the things that I've got. This is not everything. I'm not going to take the time to go over everything, but I am going to show you some things, and I am going to draw two winners. And I don't know which things I will put in each box, but I'll figure that out later. But I have a little basket that's got a few things in it. Like I said, this will not be all of the items that I'm going to give away, but that would be a long video. Let me take it all out. Okay. There's a lady on Instagram, and she started a new company, and her new company is called Natural Beauty. And she sent me a PR box with some items in it. She does natural skincare. Wonderful products. They're absolutely amazing. But she sent me this very nice headband, and it is very well made, and so I want to introduce her brand to you by giving you this very nice headband. Along with that, she sent me a very nice makeup removing cloth. And then I have a few palettes. The first one is the Norvina palette, ABH Norvina palette. This is the Pro Pigment palette volume 2. Very nice packaging. This is such a pretty palette, but you're going to have to love color. I'm going to take the shade saver off, and this is what the palette looks like. Isn't that beautiful? It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I was like, do I want to give this away? Do I want to keep it for myself? But I'm going to give it to you. It's so pretty. These palettes, when they came out, retailed for $60 a piece. I have a few of them. I do not have this one. Love the greens in that palette. And then I have the Ace Beauté highlighter palette. I do have this palette and I love it. But I love a good highlighter. I'm going to take the shade saver off of that too. It has a nice mirror in it. But look at how pretty. These highlighters are phenomenal. They are just beautiful. Love, love this highlighter palette. I also have an Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. We're getting ready to head into fall, so I got the Falling For You palette. That as well has the shade saver. And look at those beautiful fall colors. I have this palette too. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I have this Oaklawn Ethereal palette, and I believe that this is a dupe for one of the Huda. This is the Naughty. I believe this is a dupe for the Naughty palette. And I have another highlighter palette. This is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey palette. That's so cute with the little honeycomb. This does not have a mirror in it, but it is such a pretty palette. I love the embossing. That's the little honey dipper that you dip down in your honey jar to get your honey out. Little honeycomb dipper. Such a pretty palette. This would be good too for fall. These two shades, perfect for fall. And then I have the You Can Be Duo. This is the Twilight and Dusk palette and also the Aromas palette. And this as well is a dupe for, and I can't remember. I will put it along the screen because I sure am drawing a blank. But it's very, very pretty. And I have used, I think I have this palette, the Aromas palette. And I have used You Can Be, and they are a very nice formula. And the other one is the Twilight. And oh gosh, it's going to drive me nuts. This is the dupe for the Rose Gold. Both of these are very pretty. Very pretty palettes. And then I also have a little set of brushes. This is Moda Pro 4-piece Iconic Glow Kit. So you can get your glow on. I love Moda brushes. This brand of brushes was one of the first sets of brushes I bought when I started my YouTube channel, and I still use those brushes. They're very nice, so love those brushes. And there will be some other things. Oh, I have this Refreshments Velvety Body Cream. This is unscented. This is a Ipsy. Refreshments is Ipsy. Like I said, I'm going to choose 2 winners. And I will run this giveaway until the 17th of September. That's roughly 2 weeks to give everybody the opportunity to watch the video and enter to win. And to do that, you need to go down in the comments and wish Christopher a happy birthday. His birthday is in September, the end of September the 29th. And if my memory serves me correctly, he will be 41 this year. I have a 41-year-old child. That doesn't even seem right. I will have all the rules for the giveaway down in the description box. Make sure that you go down and read that. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube in any way. All of the products I have bought and paid for myself. This giveaway will be for U.S. residents only. Again, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and hanging in there with me. I know lately that things have been a little sporadic. I have not been able to upload as much as I normally do. Things have just been crazy. And they're starting to simmer down a little bit. This weekend is our Labor Day weekend at work. It's going to be a crazy weekend, but once we ease our way through that, things will kind of smooth out and calm down for a little while, at least until Halloween, and then after that we will be into our off-peak time and we can kind of get caught up and catch our breath, and hopefully things will be better going into the next season. So thanks so much. Thank you again. Thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. I am very appreciative of all of my subscribers and the YouTube community that I find myself involved in. Just an amazing group of people. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Did y'all hear Christopher sneeze?